Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to see the reading of chapter 15, our festivals. Ready? Festivals are times of fun. I repeat the sentence. Festivals are times of fun. We celebrate festivals with our family and friends. We celebrate festivals with our family and friends. हम फेस्टिवल्स फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ मनाते हैं. फेस्टिवल्स ब्रिंग जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस. फेस्टिवल्स ब्रिंग जॉय and happiness. What do festivals bring? They bring joy and happiness. Kushi. Some famous festivals have been described here. Have been described here. So हम कुछ famous festivals के बारे में अभी देखने वाले हैं. Deepavali. We can say Diwali also, Deepavali also. Deepavali is the festival of lights. Deepavali is the festival of lights. दीपावली रोशनी का त्यौहार है. Yes or no? Yes. Before Deepavali, people clean and decorate their houses. Before Deepavali, people clean and decorate their houses. दीपावली से पहले लोग अपने घर को क्लीन करते हैं, सफाई और सजावट करते हैं. On the day of Deepavali, people wear new clothes. सो दीपावली दिन लोग नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, है ना. हम सब पहनते हैं ना उस दिन. दे प्रे टू गॉडेस लक्ष्मी. गॉडेस लक्ष्मी की हम पूजा करते हैं. एट नाइट पीपल डेकोरेट देयर हाउसेस विथ लाइट्स एंड दियास. एट नाइट people decorate their houses with lights and diyas. रात में लोग अपने घरों को लाइट्स और दिया से सजाते हैं, दियों से सजाते हैं, है ना. चिल्ड्रन एंजॉय बाय बर्निंग क्रैकर्स. बच्चे क्रैकर्स जलाकर आनंद लेते हैं. यस और नो? बट वी शुड नॉट प्ले विथ क्रैकर्स बिकॉज इट विल इंक्रीज एयर पोल्यूशन. सो से नो टू क्रैकर्स. राइट? लेट अस सी द कीवर्ड्स ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट टू पैराग्राफ्स. फेस्टिवल, फन, and then family and friends, joy and happiness, Deepavali, lights, clean, decorate, new clothes, goddess Lakshmi with lights, diyas, children, crackers. So एक बार ये जो वर्ड्स भी रीड कर लो. व्हाट वर्ड इज दिस? फेस्टिवल्स. ओके, फेस्टिवल्स त्यौहार. एंड देन फन एंड जॉय. फन एंड जॉय. नेक्स्ट की वर्ड इज हैप्पीनेस. Happiness. Our next word is friends. And family. So festival, family, friends, happiness, joy. So we have seen all the keywords. And Deepavali keywords are, I'll remove this pin. I cannot turn the pages easily. Deepavali. 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 Second keyword is lights. Next, clean. Decorate. New clothes. New clothes. Diyas. Goddess. Goddess. Lakshmi. Children. Crackers. So these are the keywords. Okay, you have to learn to read these words properly. Okay, next is Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. क्रिसमस हर साल 25 दिसंबर को मनाया जाता है. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. ये जीसस क्राइस्ट, लॉर्ड जीसस क्राइस्ट का बर्थडे है. People go to church to pray on Christmas. People go to church to pray on Christmas. लोग क्रिसमस वाले दिन चर्च जाते हैं. प्रार्थना करने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? चर्च जाते हैं. सो कीवर्ड्स क्या है? क्रिसमस, 25 दिसंबर, जीसस क्राइस्ट, birthday, church. Okay, these are the keywords of this Christmas festival. And then पीछे भी है. They decorate Christmas tree with gifts and stars. So decorate हमने पहले देख लिया. So Christmas tree, gifts and stars. They also give gifts to each other. They also give gifts to each other. How do they decorate the Christmas tree? They decorate the Christmas tree with gifts and stars. Gifts और stars के साथ वो Christmas tree को सजाते हैं और वो एक दूसरे को भी gifts देते हैं. So the keywords, अभी एक बार keywords देख लेते हैं Christmas tree, Christmas festival के. Let us see the keywords of Christmas festival. So first is Christmas. First is Christmas. Christmas. Our second word is, what is the second keyword? Church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. And then birthday. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ की birthday है. Christmas is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Okay. Next. When do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas on 25 December. We celebrate Christmas on 25 December. So what do people do? How do they decorate the Christmas tree? They decorate the Christmas tree with gifts and stars. They also use balloons, and then what else they use to decorate the Christmas tree? Stars, balloons, gifts, etc. Okay. And they also give gifts to each other. So gifts. These are the keywords. Gift to each other. Gifts each other. Okay, right. Our next festival is Eid. Eid is celebrated. Eid is celebrated after a month of fasting. Eid is celebrated after a month of fasting. 1 month fasting के बाद ईद मनाई जाती है. 1 month fasting के बाद हम ईद मनाते हैं. People go to mosque. People go to mosque to offer नमाज. नमाज करने के लिए, नमाज ऑफ़र करने के लिए people, where do people go? They go to mosque. People go to mosque to offer namaz. Sivaiya. Sivaiya is a sweet dish. Sivaiya is cooked in every home on Eid. So Eid वाले दिन what do people prepare? They prepare Sivaiya. Sivaiya is cooked in every home. हर घर में सिवैयाँ बनाते हैं. So Eid is celebrated after a month of fasting. People go to mosque to offer namaz. Sivaiya is being prepared in every home on Eid. Okay, now let us see the keywords of Eid festival. EID, Eid. This is the name of the festival which is celebrated by Muslims after a month of fasting. Eid is celebrated. So Eid कब celebrate करते हैं? 1 month fasting के बाद. After keeping 1 month fasting, they celebrate Eid. So on Eid day, where do they go? They go to mosque and offer namaz. नमाज पढ़ने के लिए they go to mosque. And sivaiya. Sivaiya is the sweet dish that is prepared or cooked in every home on Eid. Sivaiya. So these are the keywords of this festival. So let us move to our next festival, Guru Parv. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated as Guru Parv. So Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated as Guru Parv. Guru Nanak Jayanti को गुरु पर्व के रूप से भी रूप में ही हम मनाते हैं. Guru Nanak Jayanti is celebrated as Guru Parv. It is the birthday of सिख गुरु. जो सिख गुरु कौन है? Who was the first सिख गुरु? गुरु नानक देव जी. So गुरु नानक देव जी. Guru Nanak Dev Ji, he was the first Sikh Guru. So Guru Nanak Jayanti is the birthday of Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. People go to Gurudwara. So where do Sikh people go? They go to Gurudwara and pray. People go to Gurudwara. प्रार्थना करने के लिए गुरुद्वारा जाते हैं. They take out processions. Processions को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? जुलूस. Yes, जुलूस निकालते हैं. Maybe the pronunciation of julus may be wrong. You can cross check it. They take out processions. So procession is a keyword. Guru Nanak Jayanti, Guru Parv, Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Gurudwara, processions. So these are the keywords. Let us see the keywords one more time. Guru Parva. Guru Parv. Guru Parv को we can also say Guru Nanak Jayanti. Either Guru Parv is also celebrated in the name of Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Parv, Guru Nanak Jayanti, and it is the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji की birthday है. He was a first Sikh Guru. Sikh Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay, and where do people go? They go to Gurudwara. They go to Gurudwara. Where do people go? They go to गुरुद्वारा. एंड गुरुद्वारा के बाद वो क्या, वो ऑल्सो व्हाट डू? दे टेक आउट प्रोसेशंस, जुलूस, प्रोसेशंस. ओके, सो दीज आर द keywords. Now next is some special days. Here the fact is also given. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. National festival is celebrated by all the people of the nation. We celebrate 3 national festivals, that is Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, now comes to some special days. Birthday is a special day for everyone. So we are now going to, अभी फेस्टिवल्स वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द स्पेशल डेज. हम 2 स्पेशल डेज देखेंगे आज. द फर्स्ट वन इज बर्थडे. बर्थडे इज़ अ स्पेशल डे फॉर एवरीवन. बर्थडे सभी के लिए एक स्पेशल डे होता है ना. यस, वी सेलिब्रेट इट विथ फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. हम बर्थडे किस किस के साथ मनाते हैं? फैमिली के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ और रिलेटिव्स के साथ. ओके, हमारे परिवार, दोस्त और रिलेटिव्स. रिलेटिव्स को क्या कहते हैं? रिश्तेदार. रिश्तेदारों के साथ हम बर्थडे मनाते हैं. वी कट अ केक ऑन दिस डे. सो बर्थडे वाले दिन, व्हेन डू वी कट अ केक? वी कट अ केक ऑन आवर बर्थडे. व्हेन इज़ योर बर्थडे? आपका बर्थडे कब है? यहाँ लिखिए. आप अपने बर्थडे डेट यहाँ लिखिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट अ वेडिंग. हाँ, कीवर्ड्स बोल देती हूँ. बर्थडे, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. केक, फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स तो वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. रिलेटिव्स वन एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड है, रिलेटिव्स. अ वेडिंग इज ऑल्सो अ स्पेशल डे. शादी जो डेट है, शादी भी एक स्पेशल डे है. शादी इज़ ऑल्सो अ स्पेशल डे. वेडिंग. द ब्राइड एंड bridegroom wear beautiful dresses on their wedding. The bride and the bridegroom wear beautiful, can you see beta? Yes, beautiful dresses on their wedding. शादी भी एक स्पेशल डे है. दूल्हा और दुल्हन अपनी शादी में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ड्रेसेस मतलब खूबसूरत कपड़े पहनते हैं. पीपल सिंग, डांस एंड एन्जॉय. सिंग, डांस एंड एन्जॉय. सो लोग क्या करते हैं? सब लोग नाचते हैं, गाते हैं और बहुत एन्जॉय करते हैं शादी को. सो अ वेडिंग इज़ ऑल्सो अ स्पेशल डे. द ब्राइड and the bridegroom wear beautiful dresses on their wedding. People sing, dance and enjoy. So this is a special day. Can you get it? Can you get all the points? Now I am going to tell you the keywords of these two paragraphs. Birthday. Second keyword is cake. Birthday and cake. I forgot to write relatives. So relatives, you can learn it from here, relatives. Next, wedding. Bride, bridegroom. दूल्हा और दुल्हन. Bride, bridegroom. दूल्हा, दुल्हन. Bride, bridegroom. What do they wear? They wear beautiful dresses. Beautiful dresses. Okay. People sing, dance and enjoy the wedding. People गाना गाते हैं, dance करते हैं और enjoy करते हैं. Sing, dance and enjoy. Okay. So reading part is done. Now comes to book exercises. So let's answer. Let us see the answers quickly. Can I take a pencil? Yes. Now let's do the revision. Festivals are times of fun. They bring joy and happiness. On the day of Deepavali, people worship Goddess Lakshmi. On the day of Christmas, people go to church to pray. On the day of Eid, people go to mosque to pray. On the day of Guru Parv, people go to Gurudwara to pray. Okay. Now look at the pictures and complete the crossword. You have to complete the crossword by looking at the pictures. You can get the clues from these pictures. Like these children are decorating the Christmas tree. So this festival should be Christmas. And this is Eid as the children are doing namaz. And here the children are playing with crackers. So this is a Diwali. And this is a Gurudwara. So this is Guru Parv. Okay. So complete the spellings. I hope you know the spellings by this time of the festivals. Next, answer the following questions. Which is the festival of lights? Do you know which is the festival of lights? It is Deepavali. Deepavali. When do we celebrate Christmas? Tell me, when do we celebrate Christmas? We celebrate Christmas on 25th December every year. Which dish is cooked on Eid? Tell me. Yes, Sivaiya. Sivaiya is cooked on Eid. Whose birthday is celebrated as Guru Parv? Whose birthday is celebrated as Guru Parv? Tell me. Yes. Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Okay. Next comes, let's do it. This is an activity. Whenever you get time and the materials, you can make this Santa Claus at home with shuttlecock. Okay. Next comes life skills. What all do you do on festivals? What do we do on festivals? Tick the things you do and cross which you don't. It is already done. Bust crackers? No, it should not be done. We should not bust crackers. Then fight with friends? No. Wear new and bright clothes? Yes. Wish everyone and enjoy? Yes. So again I am sending the message to you all that say no to crackers to keep our Delhi clean, green and pollution free. Okay. Okay children, that's all for today. Have a nice day.